Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Okay, I've got a fantastic update for you today. There's a lot to cover. I'm going to get into it and get you out of here quickly. Starting with the Jetbuilt User Summit. Our inaugural Jetbuilt Summit we were so excited about in March got postponed into August 27th and 8th, which is just a few weeks away. And a couple weeks ago we began to consider should we postpone it or cancel it one more time. And so I communicated with all the registered attendees, and nearly half of you guys just wanted to come. You're like, we're close to Dallas, we travel a lot as it is, we know how to be safe, we want this summit. So I'm not going to deny that, and we are going to see you in Dallas, and we're so excited about that. So that's going on, but because so many of you can't come or couldn't come originally for scheduling or travel expenses or what have you, so we're opening up a Jetbuilt remote summit option. It will, full disclaimer, not be great in comparison to the live summit, but it's a lot less costly, and maybe you want to join us over Zoom. Our own Brandon will be hosting it, so he'll be chatting with you during the summit. You'll see the sessions, you'll hear the sessions, you'll be able to comment, ask questions, and then Brandon will deliver a lot of those comments as makes sense in terms of time constraints and so forth, so we can discuss in the live summit. So we're excited. We feel it should be a pretty fair representation of the summit for those of you who can't make it. So the website has more information. You can get yourself registered for the remote version, as well as you can still get yourself registered to be in Dallas with us in a few weeks. So we're looking forward to seeing you there. Okay, manager approval functionality. This is a big one. I've been so excited about this. Many of you have requested this at larger organizations, but I argue this function is great for small companies with one salesperson working under one manager or owner, as it is 1,000 salespeople working under several managers. Now inside of Jetbuilt, and this is an optional function for you. You can work the old way if you like, but if you choose, you can require manager approval. So a salesperson can build up a project. They can even render a proposal which has watermarks on it just to verify it looks proper. But then for them to make a genuine proposal to send to a client, to move it into proposal stage, it has to be approved by a manager. The manager can approve or deny it. When they approve it, we then lock the project down. So proposals can be rendered, but that proposal in Jetbuilt is exactly the same as what the client has, so you can go over this with the client. If the client requests, drop the patio, add the larger projectors, whatever, you then need to move it into a revision stage, which is a new stage for us, but this is exciting because we'll make a new version for you, and it's in a revision stage, and now you can make all the changes you want, and then once again request approval to get it back to proposal stage, and that can happen back and forth. And all this approving may sound cumbersome to you, so don't use it if you don't want, but for those who want this control and this approval, this has been long awaited. And along with this, we revised our permissions area. So that team settings page where you give permissions to the users, we've added things like can control projects, which is approving these projects. Also, we've added can view all projects. So the enterprise platform where you can filter team members from seeing all projects. Many of you who have said we want a permission that we can just grant to certain people to see all projects without making them an admin. And so we've added that permission and a few others. So we've added more granularity to the permissions area, and I think you'll enjoy that. Global purchase order list. Many of you have been asking for this. I get the call from a vendor, they're asking something on a PO 4567, and we can't find PO 4567. We don't know what project it belongs to and so forth. So now you go to vendors, purchase orders, and you'll see every PO you've rendered, and type in 4567 on top, and it'll filter down to that PO, and you can click on it, and it opens up within the project and the whole thing. So enjoy that. Okay, after that, there's a lot of small things. One is in install platform on the web view. If you hover over a task, you can duplicate that task. We've optimized builder columns. We continue to add columns or add functionality, especially to the enterprise platform. Those columns need to be optimized. Also, we've made it work for all browsers now, where you can hover over a model name or description and it shows the whole name. So you don't need a very wide column. You just need to be able to stop and hover over a description and you'll see the full descriptions. Also, we've added filtering to install more filters like tags. Many of you use tags for building number or floor number. So you can now filter by tags as well as other criteria, both on desktop and phone view. So those things and many more things we've worked over the last several weeks as we continue to grow and refine and button down portions of Jetbuilt. So enjoy that. We look forward to seeing you in Dallas, either live or over Zoom in just a few weeks' time. So we're looking forward to that. And until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.